Nice. Please play this. If you can, please come up into a standing position. Stand up, stand up for me. Now find some space, create some space. You can push your neighbors away, whatever works for you. Good. All right, can everybody see me? Everybody can see me? All right, nobody's being blocked. Everybody can hear me? Okay. Everybody can smell me. I'm in the shower today. We're good. We're gonna come into our mountain pose. All right, mountain pose. So I have my feet hip widths apart. Ankles in line with my knees, in line with my hips, in line with my shoulders. Good. I want to take these shoulders, roll them back and down. Hands come out. I'm open. I'm relaxed. The blood is flowing evenly. Good, good, good. Let's take 3 deep breaths right here. Inhale, all the way down to the belly, and exhale. 2 more. Inhale, and exhale. 1 more. Inhale, and exhale. Good. We have some space. If you don't have some space, we'll make some. Okay, so first thing we're gonna do, if you have a leather jacket, you take it off, put it in the back, and then I have it. Nice jacket. We're gonna take this left leg. Everybody tap your left leg 3 times. 1, 2, 3. Good. Take this left leg. I want you to slide it back at an angle. So you're gonna slide that left leg back, kind of like in a stance, like run for football or something like that. Yes, or that. All right. Please don't beat me up. In the stance here. Now I'm gonna take this front leg and I'm gonna start to bend just that front leg. There we go. Nice. Coming into our warrior. So take any adjustments that you need. If you need a wider stance, if that feels good, slide that front leg out or maybe that back leg out. My back leg is keeping straight. I'm gonna bend in my front leg. There we go. All right. Tighten the muscles behind the jacket. You're gonna slowly bend down into this front leg. Good. I'm relaxed here. As I inhale, my hands come up. If that feels good for my shoulder, everybody say warrior 1. Warrior 1. All right, y'all sound like warriors right there. Warrior. All right, bring both hands up. Warrior 1, stretch it up. Good. If you want to, you can go lower, bending into that front leg. Good. Everybody got insurance, right? Good. Come on down. Nice. We're gonna go from warrior 1. Now, everybody take your right hand, the hand that's on the back leg. Left hand, left leg is back. I'm gonna bring my left leg, left hand back. Right hand going forward. Everybody look at me. And everybody say warrior 2. Warrior 2. Cowabunga. In our little surf position here, I'm gonna come down. Good. Bring my hips forward. Coming to here. Relax your shoulders. Everybody say, I'm doing it right. No matter, as long as you're doing it right. You ain't gotta bend your leg too much. You can go into your chair. Good. Now slowly straighten out that leg. Good. Now from here, we're just gonna kind of heel toe, walk that front leg back. We're coming to warrior. Coming to our mountain pose. Everybody say, I did it. Yes, y'all did it. Now these are the warrior poses here. There's a warrior 1, warrior 2, and a warrior 3. Warrior 3 is more advanced, so we'll save it for later. All right, we'll save it after the eggnog comes out. Coming into our mountain pose, we're going to start once again on this side. Everybody take a big breath in, breathe in, and breathe out. Relaxing, finding that calm, breathe in, and breathe out. If you can't find the calm, at least find a smile. Breathe in, there we go, breathe out. Good, y'all can stay there. I'm going to take the option of doing those same postures and poses in the chair. So you got options. You want to do it in the chair or you want to stand. Whatever works for you. Once again, I'm going to take this right foot, slide it back. My left foot, slide it forward. Now, this is what it looks like in the chair. This is what y'all got it, what it looks like standing up. Hands come up into our warrior. Good. We say warrior, but we all know the best team in the NBA is the
Lakers.
There we go. All right, it's going to be a problem. I guess we have a Laker hater here. Bring both hands up, reach up, stretch up. From here, I want you to lean back just a little bit. Ooh, wee. Find it. There we go. Now, get a little bit lower in that front leg. There you go. A little bit lower. Get lower. Okay, here we go. All right. Now take that back hand, that back leg, open it up once again into your warrior two, aka surfboard. Good. Ride the wave. In the chair, standing, whatever. There you go. All right. That's surfing right there. Moving back and forth. Relax your shoulders. I want you to stare at your front hand. Good. Bring 2 hands apart. Get a little bit lower. Stay focused. Breathe, breathe, breathe. Good. Then relax the hand. Slowly come back. From heel toe. Walk, step your feet back. That feels good. Inhale, bring both hands up into the sky. Reach up, stretch up. Exhale, bring it down. Relax. Good. We're gonna come into our balancing now. Once again, I have my chair if I need it there, or whatever works for you. You can use your colleague, whatever you want to them. We're gonna come into our tree pose. Everybody say tree pose. I want you to visualize in your mind your favorite tree. Just before we get there, your favorite kind of tree, whatever that is. Oak, whatever trees, I don't even know trees. Redwood, yes, those are good. I do like red pines. There we go. Good candy. All right, so we're gonna take this left leg this time, slap it 3 times. 1, 2, 3. Be gentle with yourself. Be gentle with yourself. Come up to your toes. Turn that left foot to the inside. Now, you can cross it over the leg here, or you can keep that foot on the ground. Keep your eyes open and everybody stare at the yoga blue right there. And you find one thing of focus and stare, breathe, and relax, and it'll help you keep your balance. So whether you have to focus on just making it to Friday, or you have to focus on making it to winter break, just focus on one thing. You're gonna wiggle, you're gonna wobble, you're gonna come back to focus. Everybody take a breath here, breathe in, breathe out. If you want more, you can bring that leg a little bit higher on your leg here. If you want more, you can bring it up. There you go. Here we go. Good. Send that leg out. Stand out, stretch it out, stretch it out. Boom. And drop it down. Pick that other leg up, shake it out. Good, good, good. Nobody fell. We're all good to go. Inhale, both hands reach up to the sky. On the count of 3, we clap. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Hands come down. Rub this right leg. Toes, heel, bring it up. Find your balance. As I walk around, as a distraction. Oh, keeping your balance. Okay, staying focused. Even though the lines at the malls are crazy, you're staying focused. Even though you're tired of eating that Christmas food, you're still focused. Good. Take a breath to see if you can raise a hand and stay focused. Oh, I'm so proud of y'all. Y'all look amazing. And if we fall, we always just get back up. And then slowly come down here. Let's take a breath here. Breathe in. And breathe out. Shake it out. Relax. Release. Good. Everybody just go like this. Oh, nice. Let's have a seat. Spit all over me. Please have a seat. Okay. Me and my 8-year-old did some breathing, we did some moving. Now it's time for us to be still. Practicing stillness. Wake up in the morning, early as possible. I try to just take a couple of minutes to have a mindfulness practice. Y'all know what mindfulness is, right? Y'all know what mindfulness means? Mind your business. So we have a practice of minding our business. What's going on within us? What's happening? What's going on now? Not what's the latest in the news feed, the latest text, but what's going on with us? How are we feeling? What are we thinking? What's going on in our world? And whatever we feel most connected to. So we're just going to take a second. Actually, we're going to take 10 of them to practice mindfulness. I'm just going to count from 10 to 1. And every time you hear a number, it's just going to be a reminder to breathe. Okay? Just to breathe. When you're connecting with your breath, you're connecting with the present, with now. And as you can do that, you can mind your business. Y'all ready? On the count of 3, start. So go ahead and find that relaxing spot in your chair once again. Your hands are relaxed. I want you to feel every support that chair wants to give you. Breathing into your belly. Chest is relaxed. Face relaxes and softens. Take a deep breath in. And relax for 10. Shoulders relax. 9. Jaw relax. 8. Chest relaxes. 7. Breathe. 6. 5. 4. 3. 2. Everybody take a big breath in here. Audible exhale, just like, ah. One more time. Big breath in. Ah. And we go. Thank you, thank you, thank you. If y'all can slowly come back into the room, come back to the space, you know, where your body, what's going on, what's happening with you. Right. My name is James Woods, aka Daddy Young. And we'll be around working with students, working with staff. If you could please put your name and your email in here every week, twice a week. We send you some valuable content. So you can yoga videos, meditations, tips, tools, all about wellness and mindfulness. If you're not already on the email list, please sign up. But before we do that, we're going to put our hands together into our chest. As always, feel free. Everybody say namaste. Thank you all so much.